Okay, so 42 laws of my eye, Tahuti, bringing it back the center of the brain, right? So you can be in balance and order, right? The middle point. Uh-oh, what is that? The heart chakra. We're going to get into that in a minute. Sun and moon. This show, hey, look. Listen, family, this show went nuts. The first show was called Sundown Town. Then the next one was called Whitey on the Moon. This is balance. This is order. I'm sitting here telling y'all this is what it is. 42 equals 6. 6 equals 6. We're going to go through the whole gambit of this thing, especially dealing with the hearts. Y'all like and share the video, family. It's about to go down. Now, we know 6 means sex, and that's what we're talking about, but we're not talking about bumping and grinding, right? We're talking about sex in the mind. We're talking about these energies. We talk about the masculine energy, feminine energy, positive and negative poles. You know what I'm saying? So you can balance this thing out and you can have your battery pack working right. That's all your battery pack is. Your brain is right brain, left brain, right? Negative battery, positive battery. Charge, right? But some of us are such left brain prisoners, we can't see the clues or the symbols because our right brain ain't in line. Our intuitive powers ain't tapped on, right? We're out of whack, we're out of sync, we're out of flow, we're not in balance. Okay, and this is what this whole thing is about. That's why the first thing you see is, what the fuck, Jackie Robinson? Yeah. They showing you him because he is the glue point for the social integration, right? Which is the middle point. He's bringing in, you know, he's the focal point to bring in the blacks and the whites, right, together to commune to make this thing work, right? And this thing goes so deep, man, with especially with Tick and his quote unquote sister or whatever, man. So hey, we're gonna get there. Don't worry, family. This is me. Baphomet, the light bringer, the worker, the 6-pointed star, right? 6-pointed star. Don't worry, we're gonna get back to love country. I gotta just show y'all the science so y'all can understand what's going on in the video. Y'all like and share the video. Real. Uh-oh, who is this? This thing came out on our birthday. The truth is stranger than fiction. Shout out to my nigga Hood, because you know he do an excellent job with them things. But right here, Beyonce, Head Heru, the mother goddess, the great mother energy, right? Right? The mother and the cow, all of this stuff. But we're talking about androgynous beings, Baphomet, right? All of this stuff is coming back into order, into balance. Okay, getting yourself in alignment, right? That's all Baphomet is a symbol of power, right? Masculine and feminine energies combined so you can be the light bearer and you can start seeing the symbols too. Kundalini on 1,000. All right. So boom, here we go. Beyonce just put out this Lion King thing. And we also know the Lion King is also dealing with the circle of life energy, right? This is what the video is called. Her story is his story, right? Her story is his story because her story is the true story, but we'll just leave it to the his story. So what Beyonce say in this thing? We got rhythm. We got pride. We birth kings. Uh-oh. King frequency video coming out soon. We birth tribes. Holy river, holy tongue. Man, where we heard that from? Speak the glory, feel the love. This is all the plays. Motherland, motherland, drip on me. Yes, the divine mother. I can't forget my history. It's her story. Hey, listen, family, I'm about to go deep. It's about to get real crazy. Y'all like and share the video, man. Y'all share this thing up. Listen, that's what we talking about right now. We talking about coming back into the divine feminine power and making this thing whole, holistic, balance, right? All of this stuff about to line up. Let's play. So, Milan is an androgynous. Well, they're just trying to form her into an androgynous being, but she's just a female, but she's acting right as a male. All of this stuff is just basically a play for yin and yang. Okay, the 6 equals 6, right? And Mulan came out Friday, and Beyonce's birthday was Friday, right? September 4th. And then, we got an early bird special, Lovecraft Country. So y'all know what it is. So here we go. The Black Panther. Thank you, Chad. All right. So according to the comic books, the Black Panther actually transitions. What a coincidence. What a coincidence. But as we know, there is no such thing as coincidence. But he's a masculine energy in this thing, right? Chad, right? King T'Challa, right? Masculine. Black Panther 2 comes out 2022. Uh-oh. 2022 equals what? 6. 6 equals 6. We're going to get back to Lovecraft Country. Trust and believe it's all going to tie up because we're going as within, so without, as above, so below. All of this stuff is in the air right now. The energy is here right now. I'm just telling y'all the codes from the spirit realm. That's it. So I just can show y'all the codes. Now, so y'all seen Chad, right, as the first Black Panther. Guess who's going to be the new Black Panther? Yes, sir. You guessed it. Shuri. Yeah, they're going to make it her because it's just the rightful thing to do, right? Bring back the divine feminine. This is all lining up with the Lovecraft Country. Guess what Shuri's name is? Guess what her real name is? Latita. Latita. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hey, sometimes spirit just work that way. I don't know. Let's line this thing all the way up so we can get back to the 6, so we can get back to 6, right? Masculine and feminine energies. You have to bring back the divine feminine. You have to bring back the divine feminine. It go down. Okay, so when she played that Black Panther, in that Black Panther 2, just know, hey, that's what this is. It's a calling about the divine feminine. They don't know what they're doing. This thing is happening in the other realm, in the astral realm. Let's get it. Now, this is the book, The Outsiders and Others. This book is about you, right? Tig says it, a book about Negroes coming into creation. This is about you. This is the creator book. It's just all fictional stories, but still, you know, they got the Dogon and all of that stuff in it. You can't get the book. It's too much. It's 3,500, 7,000. It's a classic. So, hey, somebody, you know, if somebody got it for cheaper, let me know. If somebody find a PDF, let me know. All right. Because we need it. So this book is about you coming into creation, birthed into this earth world or into these human bodies and stuff, right? The monstars, told you, the monstars are just representations of you because they are you, right? The great old ones, we're coming back and we're here. It's our time. So here we go. The the daughter of this thing, right? She draws the comic books. She's drawing she's the sorcerer, the wizard. She putting down the plays in the comic books. Listen, family, it go down. She's putting down the plays in the comic books. She's about to make it happen. She's drawing this stuff into existence, right? Why? Because when y'all see these next few episodes, y'all gonna be like, damn, Dream did say it was all about D. And I'm telling you, it's all about her. She's the key. She is the key. Right? So let's get it on. Let's get it on. So she draws this, you know, comic book hero, which is, you know, representation of her mother, the great mother. But, you know, you got to think of all of these things as symbols. So when they say mother, you look at a Black female, you know, that's the great mother. Just like in episode 2, when they showed Tig's great grandmother, that was just a representation of the great mother with the whole Adam and Eve play. But we're going to get to that in a minute because I'm going to go in. So she's still drawing and showing you the feminine, divine feminine power. Okay? She's still showing you the divine feminine power. Showing you the whole play, the whole story. And this is the thing, because she's lining up a divine feminine story with the universe. So she's basically saying, you know, this divine feminine superhero is taking over the universe, right? Or, you know, the protector of the universe. You're going to start seeing all these superheroes be feminine, females, right? Because that's the way that that's how this whole energy is moving now, right? Right, because we're getting back into our right state of mind. This is just the time, Aquarius age, right? We're getting back into our right state of mind. So the clock is just moving, the dial is moving. So now we're coming back into our intuition, our knowing, our imagination, our power, right? That's key. Here we go right here, the Traveler's Guide.